insurance industry is growing in Kenya, responsible business practices are not a key strategic item for most institutions, I must say. Yet our interactions are numerous. We provide insurance support, we provide financial protection, social protection to various sectors of the economies. Having been exposed to responsible business in external markets, I must say that in East Africa we still have a lot to do. The banks have gone ahead of us, they've done a lot, but the insurance industry sadly has been left behind. ICA Lion is the only firm in East and Central Africa who signed on to the United Nations Environmental Program Finance Initiative, PSI, and signing on to these principles and implementing responsible business practices for one institution is one thing and a good place to start. But making a difference in the broader economy, the broader insurance sector is another. And I acknowledge that this cannot be done in isolation. And my dream is to use my position as a pioneer in this sector, the insurance sector, to change this narrative for the East African insurance market. As the chair of the Institute of Risk Management East Africa Regional Group and the chair of the Association of Kenya Insurance Risk Management Committee, I intend to push this agenda forward. My dream is to see East Africa insurance groups embrace responsible business practices as they work towards shared value for the benefit of their insurance firms and the communities within which they operate. It's mainly to see the market work towards activities in the value chain, including interactions with stakeholders done in a responsible, in a forward-looking manner, addressing climate change, addressing social issues, addressing governance issues, and enhancing resilience within economies and the communities. And I know that this approach can have with it tremendous benefits. I intend, or I want to dispel the notion that sustainability has to do with philanthropic activities, and an opportunity to serve in the Global Steering Committee will give me a platform from which I can influence my colleagues within this industry, from which I can engage, I can lobby, I can challenge the regulator, I can challenge our industry associations to embrace and support responsible business practices.